How to set live desktop wallpapers on Windows 11. To set live desktop wallpapers on Windows 11, follow these steps below. 1. Install Lively Wallpaper app. 2. Set live wallpaper. And, here are some alternatives to the Lively Wallpaper app. * Wallpaper Engine is a paid app that offers a wide variety of high-quality live wallpapers. It also has a Steam workshop where users can share their own creations. * Screenplay is a free and open-source app that allows you to create your own live wallpapers. It supports a variety of effects, including animations, videos, and widgets. * Rain Wallpaper is another free and open-source app that offers a wide variety of live wallpapers. It also has a community where users can share their own creations. * Desktop Live Wallpapers is a paid app that offers a variety of high-quality live wallpapers. It also has a built-in editor that allows you to customize your wallpapers. * Wallpaper Studio is a free and open-source app that allows you to create your own live wallpapers. It supports a variety of effects, including animations, videos, and widgets. Which alternative is best for you will depend on your needs and preferences. If you're looking for a wide variety of high-quality live wallpapers, then Wallpaper Engine or Desktop Live Wallpapers might be a good choice. If you're looking for a free and open-source app, then Screenplay or Wallpaper Studio might be a better option. And if you want to create your own live wallpapers, then Rain Wallpaper or Wallpaper Studio are both good choices.